Puppy Who Lost His Way by Chrissy Taylor. One fine morning, a puppy popped his puppy paws out of his puppy house. This was no ordinary puppy. This puppy was the happiest puppy in the whole world. In fact, his name was Happy. Happy looked through the bushes.
I'll never let you get lost again,
cried the little boy, who was so happy that he gave Happy a kiss on his wet little puppy nose. The end.
Whoa, Miss Lippy. The part of the story I don't like is that the little boy gave up looking for Happy after an hour. He didn't put posters up or anything. He just sat on the porch like a goon and waited. That little boy's got to think, you got a pet. You got a responsibility. If your dog is lost, you don't look for an hour and then call it quits. You get your ass out there and you find that fucking dog.